So now let's go and look at flashback queries and flashback query syntax. A flashback query allows you to look at data backwards in time. In other words, a database is always at a consistent state at a point in time. 5 minutes ago the data was different. 5 minutes in the future it will be different again. You obviously can't look into the future because it hasn't happened yet, but you can look into the past in a database because records are stored based on the data state in the past. You're not traveling back in time or anything like that, but you're looking back into old logs and redo logs and rollback, and essentially flashback looks at rollback. You're not looking at logs, you're looking at rollback. It allows you to do it in various different ways based on a system change number. You've got version queries and you've got as of queries. An as of query allows you to go back in time. A version query allows you to find one or more versions of rows in a table if there are one or more versions. In other words, 5 minutes ago a specific row in a table was set at a specific value. 3 minutes ago you changed it. If you run a version query now that looks at the last day, it'll tell you what the data was 5 minutes ago and what it was 3 minutes ago, as in now. So you get two records. The syntax is very simple. You select from and you say as of a particular, what's called a system change number, which is basically a point in time in Oracle. Don't need to really go into what the detail of that is. You can use a timestamp, essentially a date and time. What is the state of this table or the data in this table, using where, group and order by at, say, 5 minutes ago. Version says again the timestamp or a min and max value on a specific expression, essentially a column if you want. So you can find something between two values or 2 points in time. And that's basically what I'm looking at here. Two different types of flashback query. An as of at a point in time, or version implies between two different points in time, between two different system change numbers or two timestamps, 2 points in time. We can find it in the manual as well by going into here and probably just clicking on here, making sure we're up here, and just do the word flashback. It helps if you spell it right. And flashback query clause, versions between, blah blah blah, as of, etc., etc. That is the syntax for flashback queries.